Setting reminders on your Android phone is easy, but the way you do it and the options you have depend on what type of Android phone you're using. First of all, the easiest way to set reminders is to simply press and hold the side button and then talk to your digital assistant. I can say, "Remind me to make dinner tonight at 6 p.m." and the Google Assistant will automatically create a reminder for that. If you want to manually set a reminder, we can do that too. Most Android phones do not have a dedicated Reminders app, and reminders are actually built into your Google Calendar. I'll swipe up to reveal my app drawer and then search for Calendar. If you're on a Samsung phone like I am, you'll see two calendars. The first one is Google Calendar. The second one is Samsung's own calendar. Samsung also has a dedicated Reminders app, and I'll show you that in just a minute. So, on a Samsung, you'll have the option to use a Reminders app, but the rest of the Android phones out there will be using the Google Calendar for this. I'll go to the Calendar app and I can already see the reminder here that I set up using the digital assistant. To create a new reminder, I'll tap the plus icon on the bottom and then choose Task, which is kind of a confusing name for reminders, but that's what Google decided to name these. Then you'll type in the details, give your task a name, choose a date, and either leave it as an all-day task, or you can uncheck the all-day toggle and set the reminder for a specific time. You can set the reminder to repeat, add more details, or Google Drive attachments. And once you're done, you'll just hit Save. You'll then see the reminders in your calendar, and you can tap to view them or mark them as completed. Pretty simple and straightforward overall. Now, if you're on a Samsung phone, you'll have Samsung's own Reminders app, which is kind of similar to iPhone and their Reminders app, in case you're familiar with those. It's similar to Google Calendar. You'll tap on the bottom to create a new reminder, set a date and time for it, set it to repeat if you want to, and all that good stuff. Then hit the check mark to save it, and it'll go on your list of reminders. You can sort through different folders or categories of reminders, and tap the checkbox to mark your reminders as complete. And that's about it. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.